Gĩikaro-inĩ kĩa mathaa ma rũcinĩ nĩkĩo mũikarĩri gĩtĩ kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ bajeti Kimani Ichung'wa atemanirie mendekithia marĩa makinyereirwo kũrenga mahuthiro ma thirikari.
And pursuant to the provisions of Article 223 of the Constitution and Standing Order 243 approves 1. A reduction of the total recurrent expenditure for financial year 2018-2019 by Kenya shillings 9,063,228,418 in respect of the votes as contained in the attached schedule. 2. A reduction of the total capital expenditure for the financial year 2018-2019 by Kenya shillings 28,540,434,000 in respect of the votes as contained in the attached schedule.
Kigina kia ukuria wa matura CDF na kiria kia atumia abunge nĩ imwe iria president arendekithĩtie inyihio ũndũ ũrĩa ũracũngĩrĩirie abunge gũteta.
And we have only reduced our national government CDF by 2.4 billion shillings from 35.7 billion to 33.3 billion shillings, Honorable Speaker.
And I do not begrudge our members of parliament that you can have the CDF because what you do is important. But what I'm asking is please do not touch the National Affirmative Action Fund, and I hope this message and all the women, I'm asking that you support me to ensure that Henry Rotich does not attempt to ever do that again.
Gũkũ amwe ya abunge makinyita mbaru mendekithia maya gũtinaga angĩ makũreganaga namo.
This is a very unique supplementary budget as it is being considered barely 3 months into the financial year, and it is in the best interest of the country so as to achieve our development agenda and the big four.
Because it is proposed that the judiciary is to be given money. Mr. Speaker, I know my position in the afternoon will not change, but I want to request members that for the sake of this budget, the development budget of the judiciary, we support this particular one and we move forward. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I wish there was time for us to have proposed amendments and discussed them. I think we are between a rock and a hard place, but as a member of the opposition, Mr. Speaker, on this particular one, I oppose.
Whether we say no, whether we say yes, it is not about the popular matter that Kenyans are waiting for out there. It is just a matter of rearranging government money from this department to the other.
Ihinda rĩa kuhitukia kana kuregana na mogaruruku maya rĩa kinya na banene ya bunge marugama na kayo kamwe na mahitukia mendekithia maya.
I put the question, which is that the House do agree with the committee in the said report. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it.
Shiringi birioni 37 nicio bunge ihitukitie kurengwo mathabu-ini ma mahuthiro ma thirikari, no kigina giki no gacunje kanini kuona thirikari no irabatara gwetha makiria ma shiringi birioni 500 niguo gukinyanĩria bajeti ya mwaka wa kigina 2018-2019. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma bunge, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.